need a repository to manage the secure token. So I'm going to go to create the secure token repository. In securities repository, I'm going to create a new interface. I'm going to call it secure token repository. And of course, this will be an interface. And it's going to contain a method for finding my token. So I'm going to say secure token find by yes, so this is going to actually extend JPA repository, because I was wondering why is it not giving me the IntelliSense. So it's going to, the primary key is going to be long. And so if you now try find by token, it's going to help you find. You can see find by, and it gives us exactly that. And we specify the token. Let's also maybe write remove token. If you remove the token, you return the ID of the removed token. So long remove by token. So this is the repository. We need the service that contains the definitions or declarations for the CRUD operation. We have this add, delete, and update, and get my ID. We need that to be defined in a service, which will be an interface, and then we are going to implement that service. So I'm going to the services directory, and I'm going to create a new interface. I'm going to call this interface secure token service, and this will be an interface for sure, and it's going to contain the methods, right? So we are going to have. So first we should be able to create a token. So secure token. We need another method to save the token. Secure void save secure. It takes the secure token to save, and we also need to find by secure token find by token, and it's going to take the string token, and finally we need remove token. So it's going to be void. So we also had remove by token in the repository, which takes a string representation of the token, but remove by token takes the actual token. Okay, so we have these four methods we are going to implement. I'd like to not make this video to be too long, so I'm going to stop here. So I'm going to continue at 8.1. In the next part, we are now going to implement these methods. So we'll see in the next part.